It's actually not just a revolution in vehicle design, but a revolution in vehicle manufacturing.
That's how Elon Musk describes the upcoming Tesla Model 2, a car designed to redefine what affordable electric mobility can be. After months of speculation, leaked prototypes point to a compact hatchback that focuses not on luxury or size, but on smart proportions, advanced aerodynamics, and cost-saving innovations that could shake up the EV market. So, what specifically sets the Model 2 apart in everyday use? How could its size and packaging make tight city driving and quick loading easier? And in what ways might butterfly doors and the new assembly process translate into better range and lower ownership costs? In the next few minutes, we will unpack it all. And don't forget to subscribe, then turn on the notification bell so you never miss what's next. Not an SUV, not a sedan. How Model 2's compact hatchback design shapes its better performance in city life. From the leaked images we got here, Model 2 clearly isn't chasing size or weight. With compact size, it focuses on practical benefits and efficiency. This car is about 13.8 feet long and 5.66 feet wide, 10% shorter and 8% narrower than current Tesla's smallest car, the Model 3, which is 15.4 feet long and 6.1 feet wide. Even when placed next to rivals in the compact EV segment, like the Chevy Bolt EV at 13.6 feet long and 5.88 feet wide, or the Hyundai Kona Electric at 13.7 feet long and 5.9 feet wide, Model 2 is still smaller. In big cities like New York or San Francisco, where more than 60% of parking spaces are under 6.5 feet wide, the 5.6-foot width of Model 2 makes parallel parking much easier, saving you up to 30 minutes instead of circling around every morning. Meanwhile, the 13.8 and 8T length gives this car a smaller turning radius, making it more flexible when turning around at small intersections or dead-end streets. But does this size also mean that the model will be like those cheap, boxy Chinese electric cars? Slow, sluggish? Right here, we will explain two standout design features that give this car an aerodynamic edge that changes everything we think about the performance of affordable EVs. First, the iconic hatchback roofline design that no one has mentioned yet. The Model 2 roof line slope reaches 35 degrees compared to 20 degrees on the Model Y, shortening the rear overhang from 34 into only 28 to limit the wind resistance plane. The second is at the front end. You can see a new two-part light strip. The upper part is a LED matrix strip of only about 0.8 inches. The lower part is a headlight of about 4 inches. Compared to the single-piece headlight block about 12 in wide on Model Y, the design of Model 2 reduces the total headlight area by about 25%, trimming the front width by nearly 3 in from about 33.5 in down to 30.7 to 31.5 inches. With this front design, the wind contact area of Model 2 is reduced by 10%. In the end, Model 2 achieves an impressive drag coefficient of 0.223 CD, lower than competitors like the VW ID.3 at 0.26 or the Ford Mustang Mach-E at 0.285. Wind tunnel testing at 62 miles per hour shows drag force on Model 2 at only 150 pounds compared to an average of 200 pounds for sedans. It will reach 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds while cutting energy use by 12 to 15% compared to the higher drag vehicles we just mentioned. So with a 50 kilowatt-hour aluminum battery giving a range of 300 miles, the optimized aerodynamics of Model 2 can extend it to 340 to 360 m per charge. And for drivers, this means fewer stops at charging stations and fewer frustrating waits at crowded chargers during a busy schedule. So, what advantage does the Model 2's hatchback design impress you the most? Compact size for easier city driving or aerodynamic upgrades for better performance? Drop your thoughts below. What makes the Tesla Model 2 feel bigger inside despite its compact shell? Thanks to shorter overhangs and a stretched 104 inches wheelbase, the Tesla Model 2 lays out an almost flat floor that frees up knee room. As a result, the rear seats stay naturally upright. Forward visibility in traffic improves, and the cabin feels bigger than the footprint suggests. Building on that sense of space, the rear hatch makes loading simple with a low 26 inches liftover. With the seats up, the Tesla Model 2 offers about 18.5 cubic feet of cargo room. And with the 60/40 bench folded, it opens to roughly 41 cubic feet. That means a week's groceries, a folded stroller, or two 54-inch bikes go in without removing wheels, and the wipe-clean seatbacks take muddy weekends in stride. To keep daily clutter under control, the Tesla Model 2 adds a compact 3.1 cubic foot frunk for a laptop bag, lunch, and charging cables. Pairing that storage with a thoughtful driving position, the Model 2 sets the hip point at 24.5 in for a clearer view, while the low-call and slim 3.2 in a pillars trim blind spots at intersections and crosswalks so you can place the car with confidence. Durability and ease carry through to city driving. Curb-friendly aero wheels with reinforced rim protectors help the Tesla Model 2 cut wheel repair incidents by an estimated 30% in dense urban use. At the same time, stop-and-go traffic feels calmer because regenerative braking is calibrated up to 0.25 G for genuine one-pedal driving and blended friction braking joins on steep descents to keep energy use consistent. Comfort rounds out the experience. Inside the Tesla Model 2, sound levels target about 66 dBA at 45 mph on coarse asphalt, which keeps conversation natural. On hot days, the thermal system cools the cabin from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 72 degrees Fahrenheit in about 5 minutes and holds the compressor draw steady so range stays protected. Finally, parking ties it all together. Smart Park lets the Tesla Model 2 memorize your regular spot and repeat the maneuver with roughly 4 in of precision, which makes threading into narrow garages feel effortless. Taken as a whole, the compact size simplifies positioning. The interior layout multiplies everyday flexibility, and the air-off-focused body helps the Model 2 stretch each kilowatt-hour by an extra 8 to 12% on short city drives. How does the butterfly door design protect your joints? Why butterfly doors? Are they just a current aesthetic design? For Model 2, this is a smart solution to protect drivers' important joints, especially supporting drivers over 60 years old in daily car entry and exit situations. Instead of opening horizontally as usual, butterfly doors open straight up with double hinges on the roof, creating a wide opening angle of up to 90 degrees. The doorstep is lowered to only 6.7 in from the ground, 50% lower than the 13.8 in distance in the previous Model Y or the SUV Ford Mustang Mach-E with 16.5 inches. This is the difference when you compare it with the traditional sedan door. The side opening door is only 35.4 in wide and drivers have to bend down 15.7.